thanks and praise be to the Most High God. This update serves to mark another significant milestone for the Black Bottom House of Prayer. For decades, this historic building has been a beacon of faith and hope for the community. Now it's time for a new chapter. Skilled hands meticulously work to construct a new roof atop the historic Black Bottom House of Prayer Church. Each movement is precise, ensuring the building's integrity remains intact. With dedication and expertise, the new roof begins to take shape. This is not just a physical renovation, but a renewal of the spirit and shelter this church provides. Every nail driven, every board laid, is a testament to the resilience and unity of this Paramore community. The new roof stands as a symbol of strength and faith. This new roof is not just a structure, it's a promise of protection and the enduring power of the Paramore community. Your continued support is greatly appreciated. One of the most pressing needs at this stage of the renovation process is the repainting of the building's exterior, which will not only restore the historic beauty of this building, but also protect it from further wear and damage. Thank you for your continued support on behalf of the Black Bottom House of Prayer.